Recording your Safari Montage playlist presentation in Google Meet can be done very easily using the Meet recording feature. To record your Meet session, open the More Options menu in the bottom right corner of your Meet screen and click the Record button. You'll see an alert reminding you to notify everyone in the session that you're recording. The recording will begin and you'll see a small red recording alert in the upper left corner of your Meet screen. You can then share your playlist. And everything you present will be recorded. When you want to stop recording, open the More Options menu again and click the Stop Recording button. You'll need to click a confirmation, and we'll see an alert letting you know that the recording is being saved to your drive in the Meet Recordings folder. Once the recording is saved, which may take a few minutes, you can access it by going into that folder on your drive. You'll probably want to rename the file to represent the topic of your presentation. This is important as it will make finding the video in a search much easier, and you may want to store it in a different folder on your drive. At this point, you can use the Safari Montage Chrome browser extension to import your recording into the lore. You'll see it in the top right of your browser with other Chrome extensions. This extension allows you to instantly add links, including your drive items, to Safari Montage so you can share them or add them to a playlist. If needed, you can add the extension by clicking this button on the dashboard. Directions and a link to install the extension are provided. Open the Meet recording in Chrome and click on the extension. You can now add basic information to help you and others find the recording in Safari Montage. Click Share to School and Save as a Link. This option will allow any changes you make to the item in your drive to be seen by you and others. Then click View in Safari Montage in the confirmation. This will open the item in Safari Montage. Once imported, you can use the Edit button to add metadata, including the title, description, grade level, and standards to your video. You can now share the recording with others and add it to a playlist. One final note. If you do not have Chrome or are not able to use the Chrome browser extension, you can import the recording from your drive by doing a keyword search in Safari Montage and clicking the Google Drive tab in your search results. Once you locate your recording, you can import it to the lore as a file or a web link.